The My Traffic view in Traffic Live is for somebody who's doing their timesheets. What I'd like to do is just quickly show you the toggles, and I'm turning everything off in my diary view. And I can see my diary as a day, as a week, or as a month. And from a user's perspective, as I start to turn things on, the first level is I could turn on what we call booked time, which are any of my meetings or appointments. And Traffic Live syncs two ways between Outlook, iCal, and other calendar programs. The next thing I could do is turn on the work that I've been scheduled to do. Now, doing a timesheet is as simple as, if I've been allocated something to do, is as simple as double-clicking on it. As soon as I double-click on it, I can see here on the left-hand side, I'm burning my time of that task directly. Alternatively, I could have just grabbed the task and simply dragged that on. The defaults to a minimum increment of time. As I let go, I can see how much time I've burnt. So I can either drag and drop from my allocated tasks list and put in a timesheet. If I'm allocated something in workflow, I can double click on it, or I could start and stop a timer. If I start and stop a timer, it defaults to the minimum increment at the time you're putting the time in. So here's a minimum increment of time, which I'm just going to delete. So it's very, very easy to use Traffic Live with regards to doing my timesheets. I can either start and stop the timer, which is here. I can drag and drop from the left to the right using my minimum increment of time, or I can double click if I was allocated to work on something. Finally, I can have a look at all tasks, and I could go and look at it by client, and then go and grab an individual job and a task and simply drag and drop that on as well. So doing time in Traffic Live is all visual and designed to be done in real time.